Hi, me again, and welcome to my YouTube page. And a very simple trick I wanted to show you. Um, just to rehearse, I always use Google for all this information I'm trying to share is online, but you might have some difficulties in finding whatever it is. So today I want to show you something very simple. Sorry. Hi everyone, it's me again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button and be up to date with the new techs, the hacks, and several other things that you might learn from this site. So today I wanted us to go through a very simple trick on how to find plugins that a website could be using. The reason for this, or the reason you might need this information, is when you are a developer and you might need the information to use in creating a website that looks similar, or you could be having a template, but there's that plugin that is required. Let's say a good example is the WooCommerce, so you can use it for your PayPal and your M-Pesa and other transactions. So how do you go about it? Very easy. You can find it on Google. All this information is available online. Other people have done researches on this and have documented, and others have websites to consider all this. So you can find it online. So let's say how to find plugins used in WordPress. There's so many details available. You can follow, you can open any of these websites that talks of so much. Let's just use a good example here and say, let's say WordPress plugin detector. Let's just say that, and let's just try this. And you can insert there your website. Let me say Packets Academics, or let me not use Packets Academics. Let me use what do I use? Yeah, let me use Packets Academics. And when you click detect, it tries to detect everything. With these available plugins online, you can detect the theme, detect the plugin, detect so many, and detect so many things. Like this one, you can already, it has already detected the title, the hosting provider, the image used. All these things available online makes your work so easy. WordPress, it's free, and tags, there's the blog, the what, lightweight theme, so many. And even spy on your competitors' uh, website. But that's not it today. Let me use, I just wanted to do something simple. Let's say I'm not going to use the online, I'm going to show you how to do it without specifically going to these websites or plugins available online. So let me use a good example, which could be, which is the most popular website around. Let me say website on food. Just let me Google food and look for any website around. And let me just say academics, because we are doing this for academics and not for any hacks. We are doing it for academics. So let me just check any website here. So let's use, for example, not this one. I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to use a simple website. Let me try using this. I hope it's a WordPress website. So to find out if it's a WordPress website, the first thing, my internet seems to be quite slow, or it could be the website that is slow. So let me use a different website, and let me say we use this Plus Academics. Let's use this Plus Academics. This one takes long to So it's loading. So you can see this guy is talking about unit understanding business and whatever. Quite a very interesting website. You can see so much in it, and it's trying to do some freelancing, I think, and it's even selling things online. You can see there's somewhere selling something. So if we just click on questions, let's click on his questions. And there we are. And also on the website, you can just check and answer question. Let me try this. So I think it has to redirect you to somewhere where you have to pay before anything else, active and whatever, what. Okay. So how do you find this? It's easy. First, to understand, to know if our website has been created using WordPress, the first thing you need to do is to inspect, and any WP content, any WP that appears is a clear indication that the website was created using WordPress. So just let me check here. It's already a WordPress website, but I just want to show you the WP. You have to find that WP anywhere. It has to appear somewhere, either on the CS file, the HTML file. Yeah, the body, the sidebar, the footer. Those are the things you look for you to understand if it's a WordPress website. So that's how you do. That's how you go about it. You just inspect and you find the WP. Look at maneuver around this, and whenever you find the WP content, that's when you understand it's a WordPress website. But now that's not our case today. This is already a WordPress, so I wanted to show you how you. So you right click on your mouse and click view the page source. This one is going to redirect you. So it redirects you here to the header and so many other things, the contents of the website. So this is the source of the website. So click on your laptop, Control F, and just type their plugins. And it brings you all the plugins that you might need. So for example, here you can just find here there is the foot awesome plugin. If you just let me just copy this and try to Google. Just want to copy that and try to Google it. No, I don't want to click that. I just wanted to copy this. So I'm copying this. Sorry, I'm copying this. I don't know why it's doing that. Let me copy the whole thing so that I don't click on the link. So let me just copy here. From here to here and copy. And then let me open a new tab and just paste. Let me remove this. You can leave the CSS file, but let me just remove it. What we are looking for is the plugin, so you click on it and you can see it's already a plugin. This is a clear indication it's a plugin. So on your website, let's say you are creating a website, you can just go straight after finding these details. You can go straight to your backend admin and click on the dashboard and look for the passwords for the plugins and add new. We can try another one. Yeah, this one it is. So is this. It's a plugin, but this does borrow a different plugin. I don't know it's what we are looking for. Font Awesome. I know Font Awesome is also a plugin by itself. You know, with Google, it shows so many contents that have that name by exact. So there we are. This is what it is. This, I think, this is the exact website that this is the exact plugin that was used to run that website. You might contact their domain and just prove me right. So another thing, another one. Let's try another one. There is let me jump this two. Let me jump this three and jQuery. There's Java. Let me jump that. Let me just try this. Retio. Retio is a plugin, but let me just copy this and open in a new tab and paste. Let me just remove the Java part. And there we go. There we are. There is this, and there is also another one. There is something I saw. Oh no, on the Stack Overflow you'll find the code, but this is a plugin. Retio is a plugin, and basically this is what you'll find. If you go on, you can even download it. You can even download. And that's how you find the plugins that are used in our website. It's easy. The process is easy. You can watch again this clip. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube page and welcome.